better. Trying my hand at plastic stitching. It's a nice video on YouTube of a $150 tool that basically inserts what look like staples into a plastic to stitch a crack. But I'm having good luck with the soldering iron and just staples. I've used a two-part epoxy in the past on this and it did not hold. There's another piece over here. I'm going to do this is an interior trim. So I'm going to lay down some staples and melt them in, and maybe add a little plastic to the top. I like to hold on to little pieces of plastic that from other stuff. Melt it right in there. I found some similar broken pieces of plastic in my toolbox. And just melt those in there too. Similar plastic type is, I think, key. Alright, and start this cut right here, this split. Just going to give it a, what would be a tack weld if we were welding. I just want to hold it together a little bit because I have it taped underneath and secure with a clamp. Now I'm going to get some staples and lay it in there. I don't have my tripod, but I'll try and do this with one hand so you guys can see. Just trying to heat up the staple. Look at that. Sank it right in there. Good tip on a soldering iron helps. Oops. Got a little too much. Also had tension on it too from the, should have sunk it in the middle first. Maybe work so the heat travels down. Yeah, there we go. Just like soldering, you want to heat the metal so it heat travels. I could fill this in with some plastic from donor. And I'm just going to keep going. Seems to be pretty sturdy.